Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll talk about types of trading which are available in the market. Okay, so in this video, we'll discuss what are the different kinds of trades which we can do in the market, and also in the upcoming video, I'll be talking about different kind of market which are available to trade and what are the different kind of segment which are available to trade. So before that, in this video, we'll talk about what are the types of trading what one can do in the market. Okay, and in this educational video I'll be telling you all these things about the types of trading in the market. Okay, so first let's talk about intraday trading. So this is one of a type. The first type is intraday trading. Okay, so in intraday trading, traders buy and sell the stock on the same day. Okay, so whenever you buy and sell the stock or any commodity or any future or option, anything in the same day, that transaction is called as intraday trade. Okay, so if you buy a stock or buy a option or anything, you buy it today and sell it on the same day is called as intraday trading. Okay, the goal of the trader here is to take the advantage from short term price movement. So whatever the movement what you get in that same particular day, you will make an advantage with that kind of price movement. Okay, so whatever the type of trading you do, you should always stick to your trading discipline and you should always keep target, stop loss and everything. Okay, so in intraday trading there is no overnight holding in this kind of trading. That means you don't have to hold the stock, commodity or anything which you are doing. Okay, so you don't have to think about tomorrow's gap up or gap down because you will be closing your trade in the same day itself. Okay, so that is called as intraday trading. Okay, and next, swing trading. So swing traders, what they do is they hold the stock for few days to weeks to capture short term trends. Okay, so this kind of trade requires patience and market gap up or gap down can be risky. So in the upcoming video, I'll be talking about what is market gaps, what is gap up in the market, what is gap down in the market, and a lot of other educational videos are lined up, guys. So do subscribe to my channel and stay tuned to get a lot of other information videos as well. Okay, so now let's talk about what is swing trading. So swing trading means when a trader buys the stocks or any futures or anything and hold it for next upcoming days to weeks to capture the short term trend is called as swing trading. So here you buy it, for example you buy a stock for today and hold it for 1 week or 2 week and then you sell it once you get the momentum. So that is called as swing trading. So in swing trading, a trader have to have the patience to make the advantage of market movement and market gaps, which the market gap up or a gap down due to a lot of things will be risky. So any kind of trading you do will be involving the risk, but you need to know how to manage your risk and how to manage your trading discipline. Okay, and the next thing is positional trading. So here positional traders, what they do is they hold the stocks for weeks to months based on fundamental and technical analysis of the chart. Okay, so here it is next level of swing traders. So swing traders just hold the stock for days or weeks, but positional traders, what they do is they buy the stock or anything and they hold it for weeks together and months together to get the advantage of the trend. Okay, so they do the analysis based on the fundamental and technicals also. So even in the upcoming videos, I'll be talking about how you can do fundamental and technical analysis of the charts. So I'll be covering all these topics more in detail in the upcoming video. So do stay tuned for that. Okay, so positional trading means it's next level to the swing trading. Okay, so in this kind of trading also you require a lot of patience. Okay, and the holding time will be also big to capture the movement. Okay, so next let's talk about long term trading, or we can also call it as investing. Okay, so guys, even in investing in the market, there are a lot of things. So I will be making the video on that as well. So what are the kind of investment which are available in the market? So trading and investing both are different concept. Okay, so here in long term trading or investing, what they do is investor hold the stocks for years together. So this requires more time here. Okay, so investors hold the stock for years together, focusing on the company's fundamentals. So mainly they focus on company fundamentals, and also technical analysis will also help in long term trading. Okay, so guys, these are the kind of trades or trading types what is available in our Indian market, in the stock market. Okay, and also guys, if you guys are new to a stock market trading, and if you guys are interested in learning and improving your trading skill, you can join our course today. So in my course, I'll be teaching you the skills and strategies, and also we'll be teaching you the trading discipline. And also guys, remember, trading involves risk. Okay, so any kind of investment or trading will involve risk. So in my course, I'll be guiding you about risk management as well. And please note, my course contains only for educational purpose, and we do not provide any financial advices or tips. Okay, so if you guys are looking to improve your trading knowledge and want to focus on the education, and if you're a serious learner, you can message me now on the number displayed on the screen, and contact me now on the number displayed on the screen, and get in touch with me. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next one very soon.